How to delete account on Tinder. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your account on Tinder app. Now to delete account on Tinder is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is open up your Tinder app here. Now, once you open the app, you'll get an interface like this as you can see on the screen. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the bottom you can see various options. Tap on the bottom right corner of your screen that you can see the profile icon there, and you'll be headed here. Now once on your profile, what you want to do is you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the settings or gear icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and you'll be headed here on settings. Scroll all the way down below and here you'll get at the bottom of your screen the option to delete account. Simply tap on delete account and it'll ask you to whether you would like to keep your account, but just pause it, and if you pause it instead, no one will be able to look at your account. Now if you want to delete account, you can simply tap on delete account option, and then here you can skip the reasons or you can give reasons if you want, and then simply tap on delete my account and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete account on Tinder. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.